4 events have come by in the last Marvel standing game, Season 11. We're back again for the funnels once more, but this time the Showdown. And today in the Showdown, we have 6 brand new teams that have never even competed before coming to the stage to see if they have what it takes to become the champions, and hopefully they can qualify for the qualifiers next season. The funnels won by the money balls. Now let's see who will win here today. We have Nah from Bananas, How from the Growlers, Scent from the Lavenders, Dead from the Skeletons, and a returning team, Queen from the Honeybees. There's only 5, so there's 8 in the heat sheet. So the 3 newcomers, we have Belt from the Asteroids, Vine from the Swinging Vines, and Boyle, the captain of the Boilers. Here we go. We're off, and let's see who qualifies. And so far, it's Boyle, the captain, in dead last. From Scent, looks like Belt is also joining the fray. Boyle, not having fun here. That's Scent. And there goes Vine from the Swinging Vines. There's Nah. Queen doing an amazing job with Belt up there. Oh, look at this! Vine from the Swinging Vines is in dead last. Not good for the newcomers to start off their season. Can they hold off? Oh, look at this! How is in the final funnel. Are they going to be eliminated? Yes, they are! And How is gone. And Vine cannot claw back. Vine will be out. Along with Nah from the Bananas and Boyle, the captain of the Boilers. They're safe. We have Dead from the Skeletons, a returning team. Third, we'll go to Scent, I believe. Yes, Scent will get third. And an amazing comeback from Belt from the Asteroids. The Asteroids will move on. The newcomers. And Queen from the Honeybee. Finally returning after 2 seasons of retirement. They have come back and they have won their heats for the funnel endurance. That is amazing. But unfortunately for Boyle, Nah, Vine and How, they will definitely have to get going in the next event. Heat 2. We have Wojo Dose from the Wojo Warriors, Gallop from the Zebras, Ice Chip from the Ice Chippers, Sweet from the Sweet and Sours, and Core from the Nightcrawlers. And our other 3 newcomers, we have Super Bolt from the Supernovas. We have Sky, the captain of Summer Skies. And we have Monkey from the Circus Clowns. That is the reserve as well, Monkey, so let's see which one of these will advance. And they're off. And I believe that Ice Chip is in last. Yes, it is. Ice Chip is in last place right now. Ice Chippers are in last. Let's see, Ice Chippers are still in last. And I see the reserve is back there for the Circus Clown. Wojo Joes are just making everyone. They just got contact. And the reserves of the Circus Clown Monkeys having a tremendous time down there. This is a performance they do not want to look back. And the Circus Clowns, the newcomers, are out. And I believe that's going to be Ice Chippy. Yes, it is. He'll get 7s. He'll get 6. Oh, wait, look at this. Wheat is out. The captain of Sweet and Sours. And the captain of Summer Skies will be eliminated as well. So Cool from the Nightcrawlers will survive. Looks like Superbolt. Yes it is. Superbolt will also advance. So Wojo Dose from the Wojo Warriors, they will capture the silver in this heat. This for them. And Gallop from the Zebras will win the heat. Well, that's a shocker right there. You weren't expecting them to win this heat, but they did. And they'll be staying in the top 8. Wow. So Summer Skies, Sweet and Sours, Ice Chippers, and the Circus Clown. Boilers will get 9, Summer Skies 10, Sweet and Sours 11, Bananas 12, Swinging Vines 13, Ice Chippers 14, Growlers 15, and Reserve Circus Clowns dead last. But now, we got Zebras, Wojo Rollers, Honeybees, Nightcrawlers, Asteroids, Lavender, Skeletons, and the Supernovas. And we are! Who will get the gold in this event? Could be anyone's game. I believe Nightcrawlers are taking the early lead? Maybe. Well, right now Skeletons looks like they're dead last. Right now. No, Zebras looks like they're taking the lead. And oh, there goes Skeletons. Down the belt, there's Wojo Dose. So the newcomers are holding on well. Even though pretty much there's only 2? Yeah, 2. Up there's Asteroids. So Honeybees and Zebras looks like they're going to be the top 2 here. Wojo Rollers are down to in the bottom half. Can they be saved? I don't think so. Oh, hold on! The Asteroids are there! Are the Asteroids going to be eliminated? Wojo Rollers will get 8. Can Asteroids survive and get 6 or something? Well, no! Asteroids will get 7s. To start off their season. Skeletons will get 6. I think Lavender's in 5th. Yes it is. Honeybees are in the lead now. Can they savour this? Is it going to keep going? Supernova's in 4th. Nightcrawlers are in 3rd. Yes it is. Honeybees and Zebras. Who'll get it? Hello with the Honeybees. A grand return. On their grand return for season 11, they will give us the gold medal with Queen as the new captain, taking it home for the squad. And the Honeybees will capture the gold in the funnels. The funnels are an amazing event. And I can't wait to see more of this in the future. But up next, we're going to go back to the block bumping. I will see you then. And I can't wait to find out how this season will turn out. We'll see you then. And remember to keep on rolling.